Good morning, everyone. This is today's Sunday morning at 7:30 a.m. And this is Sam from CreativeTradingSystem.com, by the way. And I'm gonna make this video about the Bitcoin. Very interesting. Something happened, and then I just wanted to share. So let's get started. I made a Bitcoin video, I think, on the 10th, and I showed this chart there, right? That how I had this feeling about this, not this one, like this one, right? So I took this entry here in Bitcoin, knowing that this is XABC, and then it was going up for D to complete a bad pattern, right? So I took this entry, and then it was completed here, a bad pattern at 88%, 50, 23, and 88. And I wrote down here that, okay, this is done. This story is done. But I said, let's see if it is going to play out or become a failed bad pattern. Failed bad pattern means what? And play out means what? Play out means that it's going to drop, like this chart here. Let me show you. Right? So play out means that once the pattern is complete, it's going to drop all the way down, right? Or fail means that it's going to drop a little bit and then go to the upside again. And where? 127 extension of the same fib, by the way, XA 127, right? That's what I said. And what happened to this chart? And I had this entry and then two more trades going all the way to 127. Watch this one, right? This one, and then another one. This entry I had from the Umar account that survived this one, right? And this all the way went to, let me see if I have that. No, I don't have it. The final product, right? The final product all the way there is at 127 as this diagram suggested. And then I'm going to show you somewhere else that it was, let me see, the trade was finally, the number was almost 59, maybe 100 or 200, we say 59,300, right? Somewhere, right? 59,300. So watch, this is, not this one. Yeah, this is the pattern. I just shrink the chart a little bit so you can understand it. So final product 127 is 59,049. 59,049, 127 coming, right? And it already hit 59,029. Look, let's see, 59,098. So it was hit here at 127, where I closed this trade as well. So failed bad pattern goes to 127, right? Similarly, there is another pattern called Gartley, and if that is on a wrong place, it will be also a failed Gartley, like this one. You have failed bearish Gartley, means Gartley, for it to be a Gartley, this B point has to be at 61%. So 61, 23, then it goes to 78, Gartley is finished. But if it is going to be a failed Gartley, then it's going to drop here or maybe 38% line and then go all the way to 127. That's the failed Gartley, right? Now, watch what happened here in same chart, Bitcoin, same chart later on after a few days, that it dropped here. It dropped from here to here and then pull back at 61%, which is a calculation of a Gartley pattern. Then it dropped to the same stupid line, that's 23% line. I call it a gold mine. You can see that if you open a trade here, and to 127 is how many pips? How much distance? And here, similar thing from 127 all the way to 127. Sorry, 23% to 127. So what this one did is bouncing from 23% line and going to 78% to make a Gartley, because this one is 61. So Gartley is finished here, it's completed. But like I said, that the failed Gartley become, well, what it becomes, I'll tell you later, but it goes all the way to 127, right? So this one, it failed here and then start to go up and then hit 127. So this is failed bad pattern, and it ended up 127 before dropping. And this is just now it is the current chart I'm showing you. This is also, it went all the way straight, failed Gartley, but here I had 3 trades. But this one yesterday, I was like out fishing and all that, on Saturday. That's what I do. So I didn't see it, I didn't do anything. But last night, I saw and I says, oh, the same thing happening here again, right? So I opened the trade when it is started to fail right here. I knew that it's gonna fail. But why? Why I knew it? Because in the last video I showed the chart, this daily chart, that it needs to bounce and go all the way up. We are messing around here in this little area, right? Making these stupid patterns. All of those, both of them, it was like right around here. So any bearish pattern, I'm not interested as long as we are staying above 56,552. And I will take it as failed and then go to the upside. And both try were successful. Both time I was able to pull it through, right? And this time, just Saturday it started to go up, but I was not trading at all. Who trades on Saturday, Sunday, by the way, right? It's amazing. Bitcoin market is open Saturday, Sunday as well. You can trade that. So Saturday went up here, and then right there, Sunday starting 7:14, you can see, right? And then I saw it says, oh, that's what's happening. So let me try. And then my try was very nice and clean, completed, and successful. So this is the trade. Let me show you where the trade is. This is the trade. I opened the trade here beautifully. It bounced from 23% line, become bullish. Nice long setup here. Buy order is right there, and then straight to 6109. That is 6187. And by the way, 6187 is on the daily chart. Bitcoin daily chart is 60 right there. So we are now here at 127 Gartley fair bad extension level. So you see how easy it is once you know it. That's the thing. That's the thing is that I'm not gonna say that it's very easy, but it's not difficult either. And what is in between easy and difficult is learning. If you do not know something, if you don't learn, it's very difficult. If you learn something that you don't know, then it becomes very easy. Simple as that. All right. So learn. You have one-on-one on my website available, and or harmonic pattern course, right? And these are failed, Gartley, failed, bad. It's my thing. I'm inventing this, and I'm with my experience and all that. That yeah, okay, these patterns when they are there and they're working, then what? And if they're not working, then what? That way, you basically control the market. Either it goes alongside with your analysis, you make money, and if it is not, you have a good positive trade as well. Both direction doesn't matter. So market is just basically is under your feet. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys. Even on Sunday, everybody's sleeping in my house. I think the whole city is sleeping Sunday morning. But here I am making this video, working, trading. Okay. So it's 7:38 a.m. right now. All right. So maybe I'll go back now to take a nap all night long. I had to. I get up every night for praying and stuff like that as well. So I do that, early morning hours, and then I go back to sleep a little bit for a nap. So yeah, this is it for now, and talk to you guys later. And like I said, that if you're interested, go on my website and get it there. One-on-one or courses and all of that, they are available there. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.